Hello and welcome, fellow creators and entrepreneurs. It's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. I hope you're doing fantastic and are looking forward to another Etsy juicy tip of the day. Before we get into the video, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and at the end of this video, just drop a like and a comment. I always answer your questions and would love it because you know what happens? I can provide more valuable content so I know what you're looking for, I know what questions you have, and it really helps me out a lot. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Today's juicy tip of the day is how to ethically spy on your competitors. Now, of course, you know I'm not talking about literally. I'm not saying we're going to go hire somebody to go follow your competitors around. I'm talking about going into your competitors' shops and gleaning and seeing what they are doing that maybe you're missing on your site. Actually, doing a lot of research and market research is not only helpful, it's encouraged. And most businesses do this. When I had worked for a major department store, we would go to other competitors' stores and see what they were doing. We would walk in, we would check out how their layout was, how their space was set up, and we would glean from that. So we're going to go ahead and do that today as well. So whatever niche you're in, obviously you're going to choose that product and just type it into the search bar. I'm going to choose pillows just randomly. I'm already on the pillow front page, what comes up. And as you can see, the first four are ads, so we want to scroll past that. And we just want to take a look and see what's going on here. As I can see, I've got a lot of different types of pillows, but I'm going to choose something that actually kind of has a lot of reviews and a clear photo. So I am going to choose, let's go ahead and pick Printable Sky. It's a very minimalistic, very pretty photo. It's clear, I can read it. It has over 4,000 reviews, 5-star. Let's go ahead and click that listing and see what's going on with this shop. So as we can see, when we go on to a competitor's shop, we're going to see everything from, just their photos to their branding, and we can really learn from our competitors. The very first thing I see are just beautiful. I don't know if these are mock-ups or the person's own photo, but they are a beautiful, consistent black and white theme with a consistent branded look. She's got her black and white branding. I prefer having the shop owner's photo, but that's just my personal opinion. But she's got her little logo there, and she's been on Etsy only since 2014 with over 47,000 sales. That is quite a bit, so she's doing something right. As I scroll down, I see that she has in her shop announcements, the very first thing you see is a coupon. She's got 2 coupons here actually. And that is really, really a great little catch to grab your customers, because people do read in the announcements what is going on and they do look for discounts. As I scroll down, she has everything about her shop right here. Lots of different keywords in there. She also is doing her, obviously, social media, interest and Pinterest, Instagram and Pinterest, and her website. So this person has a website. She has a following. She also has another Etsy shop, so I'm sure she's bringing traffic from this other Etsy shop to this one. So right there, that tells you a lot. She's got a lot going on, and she is linking all of her social media. So as we scroll down, let's go ahead and just click on a listing and see what she's doing with her actual SEO and her tags, titles, and all that fun stuff. She's got only 2 photos, which is okay. Etsy recommends as many as you can, but obviously, again, her photos are super clear and she's getting away with only having 2 photos. She has her SEO in the title right here, personalized couple name, pillow, pillowcase, all these keywords, anniversary gift. Personalization, by the way, is hot on Etsy. If you can come up with some personalized product, you are going to do well. It is trending and it is hot right now for 2019 and beyond. Okay, she's got her overview here. Everything I can tell that she has listed in her attributes, all of the items. She's got her length, her width. Everything is really descriptive. This helps the customer. There's no guessing there. As I scroll down some more and I see the description, this is completely filled out. It is very detailed, and she also has her shipping times here, and some more of her keywords as well here. As I keep scrolling down, I'm going to see her tags, and it looks like she's got gifts in here, pillows, couple pillows, anniversary gift, home decor. So she is varying a lot of different tags in here. Throw pillows. These are search items that people will be searching for her product. So everything is filled out completely, and her photos are consistent with her branding. So let's take a look at another thing that we can glean from, and we can look at the amount of items. She's got over 1,700 items in her shop. Of course you are going to be selling, and it's a numbers game on Etsy. With that many products, you are going to be making sales. Now, of course, her products look very high quality. She's gotten amazing reviews, but with that many products on Etsy, it is, you're bound to be selling for sure. Okay, everything is categorized. She has many categories, and this is great because if you're looking specifically, let's say for a wedding printable, boom, it's not just a printable item. She has it categorized, and she has it niched down even further. This is something that you can really check out and glean from. This will help your customers find your products really, really quickly. As I keep scrolling down, I see more and more things that she's doing and a consistent theme. Her reviews are awesome. And she also has her about us, and she has photos, descriptions, and she has her all around the web, everything here, which is also important if you do want to grow a, very highly successful, profitable Etsy shop. Okay, she updated in June, which is, a little long. It'd be great if she updated a little bit more frequently, but hey, I am not going to knock anything that this store is doing. She also has her frequently asked questions filled out, and everything in this shop looks spot on. So that is a way you can ethically spy on your competitor, glean from them. Don't copy. Copying is never a good thing. But I hope this quick tip of the day was helpful. You can do the same thing for your niche. Go ahead and do your research. It really will help you just get more information so you can improve the quality of your shop, the listings, and it's just only going to help you for future sales. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.